The Abington Electric has been designed and built in the UK. Each bike is crafted from custom-drawn Reynolds Technology steel tubing and is hand-brazed. Machined stainless steel dropouts allow for a variety of drivetrain options and combined with large all-beam Marathon Plus tyres to deliver a responsive yet comfortable ride. The E2 Pod's intelligent drive system uses a Bosch battery to deliver a range of up to 75 kilometres, dependent on the battery selected. The launch control feature provides a 3-second boost, enabling an effortless getaway from lights and crossings in heavy traffic. Each E2 Pod comes complete with a handlebar-mounted Bluetooth controller, which allows the user to alter the power levels whilst riding. This can also be done with the free E2 Pod app. Complete with disc brakes, a carbon belt drive, and a range of hub gear options, including roll-off. Each bike is configured by you, for you. Simply choose from a range of options and ARC will do the rest. We offer a 5-year warranty on each Abington Electric, as well as on the E2 Pod. Find out more and book your test ride today on our website, arcbikes.com.